Alright, well, greetings and welcome to the eating of yet another tailored operational training meal MRE, of which I also got as a present for my birthday a while back. And of course, as smart as I am, you know, I am in a messy place and I'm finding a lot of MREs that I got as presents a while back, mostly for my birthday and Christmas. So in this video, I'll be eating a cheese tortellini in tomato sauce. You say tomato, I say tomato. Get it? So I'll be eating a cheese tortellini in tomato sauce MRE, as you can see. And of course, let's get this open. Even though this date says so right here, let me tell you something. It's still fresh because I handled it well. And if it isn't, then I got face. That won't matter. Tortilla Chipotle. Speaking of tortillas, when I was out walking with my friend Grit this morning and one of his owners named Andrea, I'm going to tell you this. There were some tortillas left on a construction site and Grit was after these. Same Grit, the one that licked my face in the YouTube video. That one. Tropical fruit punch I got this time. I don't drink beverage powder. So. In here I have coffee, spoon, etc. So now, it's like an oatmeal cookie. Alright. Here's the cheese tortellini. Here's the flameless ration heater. I'm going to open it up. And now, actually let's open this even more. Yes, I know how to operate one of these, so. I'll say this time around, especially because this is a salty thing anyway. I'm going to put some salt in the heater, just to make it cook faster. Salt and pepper. I'll find an alternative use for the pepper today. So, there's some salt. I'm going to put it in the MRE heater. And of course, pick it up. And now, this goes in here. Yeah, looks like every time I'm going to be eating an MRE, there's going to be work going on. Because I live with somebody else for the time being, for personal reasons. Yeah, basically I have a double life, so to speak, and of course, there's, you know, work going on, and I respect whoever's doing this. Ooh, I had this water for a while now. I'll finish this off. Good use. And now, of course, I'm going to pack this in the pouch. And now that's in the pouch, I don't really care really. All I care about is that it's in. And now, let's see. Maybe I do care. Oh! It's steaming. Okay, I'll be back momentarily. Alright, I decided I'm back. So, for the time being, while that MRE is heating up, I have crackers here, and what they say with MREs, you know, start with the high-calorie items first. And of course, I'm in a rush this morning. And, you have peanut butter crackers. And of course, I'm usually the type of person who would bust up the crackers and throw it in the entree. But me, as of this morning, I have, of course, to go to work. And I'm in a rush. So right now I'm gonna bust these crackers up. And for the time being, I work at Lvita, and of course, you know, the situation in the break room has not been good lately because there have been instances of no chow, things like that. And of course, I'm the just-in-caser, so that's why I'm having an MRE this morning. Now vanilla pound cake. Be right back. All right. I just need an H2O refill. But this MRE, I got it as a gift, if you ask where I get it from. And of course, other MREs I paid for out of my own pocket. Some of which 10 years ago, and I still think they're really good. And believe me, I've eaten an MRE from the 90s, and sure enough, it was still good. time for entree. Okay, inside this pouch here we have napkins, which I might give to somebody else as a gift. Sugar, coffee creamer, fresh nap. I'm not sure how sterile it is, like if I have to poke a needle into something, which I hopefully never have to do, like to pop a blister, pimple, etc. You call it off your judgment. Coffee mate. See, I'm not a cream and sugar person, okay? At least not all that much. Here's Bill's Brew coffee. And now, I think the entree is done. I'll go pick it up. Oh yeah. Let's start. Let me dump the H2O out. Take it out. Alright, so let's get this open. Let's eat. Inside contains sure it looks gross in there, does it? So let's eat. Okay, I'll use the salt and pepper because, you know, I work a real demanding job for the time being. And of course, everything I eat matters this morning, is how I view it. And of course, some of you believe that we don't live in normal times. So this is twice this week that I had to take an MRE to work. Now, of course, I usually wouldn't take an MRE to work because there's chow involved. And from the place I work from time being, I recorded. But this is something else. Right now, let's have the MRE. Alright, let's have the MRE. Actually, let me open the notch. Let me open it all the way up this time. Open all the way. Alright. Here's an all the way shot. Complete shot. MREs are good if you have the heater. And to me, I'm okay with them without the heater, but better with. Is it warm? Yes. Okay, that was the eating of the chicken, egg, noodles, and vegetables in sauce, MRE. You may pause this video to see what's in here. Alright, then that's our show. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all around.